Hi, today I'm going to show you Naviate's Extrude command. Extrude creates solids along 3D polylines. So when I start the command, I start by selecting a path I want to create my solid along. I can use templates to quickly set up my dialog. So in this case, I'm going to select an M7 curve. And the preview lets me check my design before I'm done, which I can see here that I need to raise my curves. When I come back to the dialog, I can add a little bit of elevation. When I hit create, the solid will be created, and I can also create multiples, so I can select the one on the other side here, and I can also select that I want to flip this one, so I can flip the object and it's created on the other side. Hit enter to finish the objects, and now they are created all along my road. I can also create solids from a profile in the drawing. So if I start the command again, select my path, and then I can use a profile and I can select this profile already in my drawing. If I now do preview, we can see that it's become twisted. So when I come back, I need to change the rotation to 0. And then I do create. A profile in the drawing means that it's dynamically linked. So if I change my profile, in this case, if I stretch a little bit to make it higher, I can then use update solid to update my solid to reflect the new look on my profile.